YouTube, here we are. 2003 Ford F-250, 6-liter diesel. Got an auto ingenuity scan tool going here. We've got our injector control pressure, our injector control regulator, Thickum power, Thickum sink, injector control volts, and our desired, which just had an extra spot there. So here's what's happening. 1150 psi, but I'm at 61% on my injector control regulator, and Thickum's down to 44%. And if you hear it, can you hear that? It's making a strange noise. So I'm a little confused. Just started one day and then just quit. Before we ran for 30 seconds and quit. It's been running great for a year and a half with a new hot HPOP, new ACP, new ICP regulator sensor. I don't know. Help me out.